This video is part of my series for very visual learners in slow motion. In it, I'm going to demonstrate correcting the color change jog when you're working stripes in the round. If you'd like to see my entire slow motion playlist, just click the little eye in the upper right-hand corner. I'll also give a link in the video description field below. And this is a way of making your stripes look really even when you're knitting in the round. Let's just, in my example here, I have us knitting a striped hat, right? And when you're knitting in the round, you're knitting in a spiral. So when you change color, the new color is always one stair step above the old color, and it makes your stripes not look as nice. But there's a very simple trick that we can do to even out that look so that there isn't a disruption in the stripes. Anyway, let's go slow-mo.
In this example, I'm knitting a hat, and I'm just coming up to the end of the round and the end of this color. Just a couple of stitches left. I'm going to slip the marker, put my needle into the next stitch. I've already cut the yarn on my old color. Grab the new color, fold it over, leaving a tail of about 6 inches. Wrap the needle with the new color. Knit that stitch. Drop the tail end. And knit the next stitch. This is standard color changing. We haven't corrected any jog here yet. This is just changing color. You're going to knit all the way around in the new color, up to the marker again. But I'm not going to make you watch me knit all the way around. I have another sample here. With the round finished, slow motion is so slow. I didn't want you to have to watch all those stitches in slow motion. So we are up to the end of the round, almost, just a few stitches left, in the first round of the new color. We switched color, we knit all the way around. We're just finishing up this first round of the new color. Slip the marker, and this is where the color change jog correction happens. In that first stitch, after the marker, we want to pick up the right leg of the stitch below. Knit stitches are in a V shape. You want to pick up the right leg of that V shape and put it up on the needle with the first stitch of the round and knit those 2 stitches together. That's really the trick. That's the whole trick. The first stitch of the second round in the new color. And you'll do that every time you change colors.
And that's it. That's how to even out your stripes when you're knitting in the round or correcting the color change jog. Good luck.